Hey guys, it's Carrie with Core Marketing Group here. Today we're talking about 301 redirects and why it's important and how to get those set up for you in Shopify. So what is a 301 redirect and why should it be used? Well, when you migrate a site or have a page that's no longer relevant on your site, a 301 is going to correctly signal where that content has moved to on your new site. So it allows search engines to keep their index up to date essentially. So if you don't update dead links or content that's been migrated, what happens? You get a 404 not found error for your site. So it's important to implement those 301 redirects because you want to make sure your site's up to date and to include the redirects for those pages because you don't want to lose out on that valuable traffic. So we're just going to jump right in. I am going to show you how to update those 301 redirect pages. So you're going to want to go over, navigate to Online Store, and then Navigation. And then over here, you'll see the link for URL redirects. So if you haven't set anything up, you're going to get this page essentially. So say you have an old site that you've migrated from another platform or a WordPress site. So say you have a product that you had on your other site and say it's shoes.html, right? So you'll want to now redirect these pages to product.shoes. And that's how it's like set up in Shopify. And then you'll save your redirect. Okay. So you can go through and do them individually here, but let's say you have a giant list of redirects because you just did a migration from another platform. What you can do is go here and you're going to import. So you can download this CSV template here. And I created one already. So I'm going to go ahead and then upload my file. And then it's going to go ahead, it just essentially has two columns, one's redirect from and redirect to. So you'll see this example, we had 4 redirects in our document, and so it just uploaded them all at once. And then you can, here's like the list, and then you can go ahead and import them in. And then it's going to populate it for you. Okay? So then you can go view all your redirects. Okay. So another thing is when you are making changes to current pages, so say we're going to go into products, and I'm going to change one of the names of my products or even the page title. So say I wanted to change the URL and handle. So say I wanted to change this to Kaleidoscope Notebook. Then Shopify is going to automatically create a URL redirect here for you. So if you're going to make any changes to your URL or handles on your current site, products, categories, any pages on Shopify, you want to make sure you check this box. So it's going to automatically create this URL redirect for you. Okay, so I'm going to save that. And now actually if I go back over here, I'm making sure I save my page. Okay, and now if I go back to the online store, go to my navigation, URL redirects, and it should be in here. Okay, so that is it for this tutorial. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. You can get in touch with us at our Instagram handle at Core Marketing and directly on our website at coremarketinggroup.com. Have a great day.